What's up, people? कैसे हो? So it's been a long time since I posted a video and really sorry for that क्योंकि मेरी अभी एनसेम्स चल रहे हैं and थर्ड ईयर के फाइनल एनसेम्स है तो मतलब माई स्केड्यूल इज़ वेरी हेक्टिक. मतलब रात रात भर पढ़ना पड़ता है ना. लॉट ऑफ एनसेम्स आर गोइंग ऑन ड्यू टू विच आई मीन यू कैन सी माई लुक. आई एम स्लाइटली ड्राउजी एंड स्लीपी विद स्लाइट डार्क सर्कल्स. So bear with this look for the next 5 minutes because I have really important points for you during such a national emergency, the national situation that we are facing right now. I have a few points to help you with. So first of all, I would like to take this opportunity to thank our brothers and sisters fighting at the border, trying their best to save our land so that we can sleep properly. So I would like to pay my gratitude and my immense respect to all the armed forces, to all the intelligence people, to all the agents present across the border who are playing with their lives to save us from this situation. So I've always respected the armed forces and the people associated with that, but after the ongoing situation, my entire respect for them has just crossed all the limits, and I am really proud of what our nation, India, is doing. Coming to the next point, I am really I can feel your all the JEE aspirants who are going to give JEE Advanced abhi 2025 में. I can feel what you're going through because we are just 8 days behind our advanced exam, and I know all of you in the region where the war has affected, all of you must be really anxious, scared, feared, डर का माहौल है और you are also uncertain कि अभी फ्यूचर में क्या होगा. So I don't have much points to help you with that, but what I can say is that I would request the IIT Kanpur board and the corresponding committee that is responsible for setting up the conducting the JEE Advance this time to postpone the exam, because obviously I don't think things would settle down within the next 10 days to conduct the exam feasibly across all the affected regions, considering the exam centers and the ongoing war situation. So the best that can be done at this particular time, I am pretty sure all the committees would be going through a lot of meetings and a lot of scrutiny at this point of time to discuss what would be the future of JEE Advance. But I would prefer that the exam be postponed for at least by about 3 weeks until the situation normalizes, ताकि जो बच्चे हैं they'll reduce their anxiety and also for safety concerns. So I feel that IIT Kanpur should come up with this as soon as possible. I'm sure they are under discussion, and the outcome of their discussions and every meeting would be out soon. So that's what I would request. And 2025 batch, the best that you can do as of now is stay safe at your home. Have a positive mindset, include a lot of prayers in your daily activities कि you are safe, the armed forces who are fighting at the border, they are safe, they are emerging victorious, and the war situation is the objective that our nation has carried for doing this war is achieved. So please include these things in your prayers. That's what not only you JEE aspirants but everyone who is watching this video should do it. Coming to the aspirants who will be giving exams on in the upcoming years, that is जो 2026 और 2027 के एस्पिरेंट्स हैं, मेरी तुमसे एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट रिक्वेस्ट है, एंड दैट रिक्वेस्ट इज़ the situation that you are undergoing right now, and the situation that I underwent. I am a pass out of during the COVID batch. So even during our times, things were uncertain. People were dying. There was fear all around कि बाहर जाएंगे, virus will affect us. How will we give our exams? How will we study properly? So I also underwent the same situation. But the whole point is that if you don't take the following steps that I'm going to tell you, you will surely waste your time and you will destroy your entire preparation. So first of all, it is essential कि आप इन्फॉर्मेशन रखो कि ओके इंडिया देश में क्या हो रहा है, व्हाट आर द सिक्योरिटी मेजर्स दैट वन शुड टेक, बट दैट शुड जस्ट बी फॉर अ लिमिटेड टाइम. तुम्हें ऐसा नहीं करना है कि बस पूरे दिन भर तुम न्यूज़ देख रहे हो, रील्स देख रहे हो, क्या हो रहा है, व्हाट इज़ द अपडेट गोइंग ऑन, एंड यू आर जस्ट वेस्टिंग योर टाइम. एंड ऐसा भी नहीं होना चाहिए कि तुम घंटों अपनी लंच टेबल पे फैमिली के साथ बैठ रहे हो और डिस्कस करो कि नहीं इंडिया को ये करना चाहिए, दिस इज़ द स्ट्रैटेजी दैट दे शुड अप्लाई, दीज पीपल आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दीज थिंग्स, बिकॉज द रिजल्ट्स दैट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट फ्रॉम such arguments is not going to be implemented by the Indian government or the army, because they have people who are responsible and better at this particular job than you, and they are doing their jobs perfectly. So be aware of what is going on, take the necessary precautions, make your society and neighborhood aware of the important things that is to be done, but please don't waste your entire day scrolling reels, scrolling what is going on in the war. ऐसे नहीं हर सेकंड में देख रहे हो न्यूज़ में क्या हो रहा है, न्यूज़ में क्या हो रहा है, क्योंकि दिस इज़ जस्ट गोइंग टू बी अ डिस्ट्रैक्शन फॉर यू इन योर प्रिपरेशन. एक बार इफ़ यू लूज ट्रैक ऑफ योर प्रिपरेशन राइट नाउ, देन इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू टू कम बैक एंड गिव योर बेस्ट एफर्ट्स. क्योंकि अभी फ्लो में अगर तुम पढ़ाई कर रहे हो ना, सो प्लीज़ कंटिन्यू दैट फ्लो. JEE एडवांस जो IIT होता है, दैट इज़ अ मैराथन. इफ़ यू ब्रेक even a single chunk of time in your preparation, then you will enter that inertial state and it will be very difficult for you to come back and prepare again. That's what happened with me that's what happened with many of my friends who were also preparing, and in fact they were better than me, but then they slacked off because of such things, such unavoidable reasons, और they got distracted और उसके बाद प्रिपरेशन उनकी ढीली पड़ गई और फिर वो अच्छे से प्रिपेयर ही नहीं कर पाए. they lost hopes, lost tracks, and they ended up not clearing JEE advanced. सो 2026 2027 जो एस्पिरेंट्स है, प्लीज़ मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, प्लीज़ डिस्ट्रैक्ट मत हो. इतनी सारी फेक इन्फॉर्मेशन भी पहुँच रही है जबरन में. पर्पसली डोंट फिल योर माइंड विद अननेसेसरी स्टफ. टॉप लेवल, ऑन द सर्फेस लेवल, बी अवेयर ऑफ व्हाट इज़ गोइंग ऑन, व्हाट इज़ इंपॉर्टेंट, have that basic idea, and then jump into your preparation, because what you are going to do is defined by your preparation. That's what you're going to yield. You discussing points about Indian Army and discussing what they should do, what they should not do, is not at all going to affect them, because they won't listen to you. They have better people who are assigned for that particular job to carry out the operations. So this is my request, kindly follow these points, and guys, just stay safe, and as I mentioned, pray for the betterment, pray for the people who are in these affected war regions to so that they remain safe, and we all emerge victorious out of this situation. Jai Hind.